Hi, superstars. Today we'll be solving a very common challenge in palm oil business, which is where to sell your stored palm oil. Okay, so personally, I faced this problem when I started palm oil storage business. I know the stress I went through before I could figure out where and how to sell my stored palm oil. It was very, very serious. I lost lots and lots of sleep. Okay, I couldn't sleep at night. I had to think and think and think because I didn't do the background work, which was knowing where I'll sell my stored palm oil. Before I started, someone promised me she was going to help me sell out my palm oil. After she gave me palm oil, did I mention she gave me bad grade of palm oil? Okay, after she gave me the palm oil, she disappeared. She got angry, did everything and disappeared. So I was left with the problem of where to sell a semi-bad palm oil. Okay, so I know that so many people face this challenge, and so many people have been reaching out to me that they don't know where to sell their stored palm oil. I should help them sell their stored palm oil. And some people even lost opportunities of increasing their storage due to where they will sell their stored palm oil. This problem of where to sell your stored palm oil has stopped a lot of people from starting palm oil storage business. Yes, and it needs to, because if you don't know where to sell your stored palm oil, after buying and keeping and it's time to sell, you'll be stranded. Okay, you could keep it to a point where it starts losing a profit and it starts reducing, and if care is not taken, you sell it at a loss. So today we'll be solving that challenge here and now. I'll be telling you different ways you can sell out your stored palm oil and make your money. All right. Okay, so one of the first things you need to know is that you need to sell your stored palm oil by yourself. Yes, if you see anyone who tells you, send your palm oil to me, I'll help you sell and then give you money, don't do it, my superstars. Don't do it. Try as much as possible to sell by yourself so that you carry your money by yourself and you know how much you have made from sales. All right, so the first place you can sell your stored palm oil is to your family and friends. Yes, everybody uses palm oil. People use it to cook, to make soap, to make lots and lots of things. So the first people you need to sell your palm oil to is to your family, friends, neighbors. Let them know you store palm oil. Let them know you have good palm oil. And from there, they'll get to buy from you. Okay, next is your local market. Every state has a local market. Every community has a local market. Where you live, believe it or not, few blocks away there is a local market. So go and carry out your research, find out the closest market to you and meet palm oil vendors. Tell them you have good palm oil, delicious palm oil. If need be, you could carry a sample in a small liter mineral bottle and go and show it to them. Let them have a taste of the grade of palm oil you have. But you know, in order to be able to sell to people in the local market, you need to have a good grade of palm oil. People at the market level know what a good palm oil is like, okay? So if you have a good grade of palm oil, it will be very, very easy to sell out. In fact, they will rush your palm oil. They'll call someone, call this person, call that person, and before you know, you have sold out, okay? So in order to be able to access the local market, you need to have a good grade of palm oil. You need to store a good grade of palm oil. This will enable you sell out effectively when it's time to sell without problems whatsoever. Okay, so once you get to your local market, you meet people who buy palm oil, people who sell palm oil. Tell them you have palm oil. They will come and test, and then before you know it, they will buy it from you. All you have to do is, if other people who supply themselves at a higher price, give them a difference of 1,000 naira and they'll be so excited and buy from you. They'll call so many people who come and buy from you, and before you know it, you are done. Okay, my superstars, the next way you can sell your palm oil is by your social media platforms. Yes, if you have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, it's a great platform for you to sell palm oil. Okay, all you have to do is advertise the same way you post stories, post lots of things, and you also see other people's stories. Okay, so just go ahead, snap your palm oil and write about it, make a post about it, put it in your stories, put it in your feed, advertise your palm oil. Don't be ashamed of your hustle, my superstars. Okay, go ahead and advertise it, and before you know it, people will reach out to you. Make sure you include your price before you know it, and your contact. Before you know it, people will reach out to you, they'll call you, and then you are in business. Okay, my superstars. So by the time you have explored these three opportunities and you still have your palm oil left to do, then you can go ahead and advertise. Yes, you can pay for ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and advertise your palm oil. You pay for ads and people will get it to place your products before people who do not know you. It will place it before viewers who need your product. Okay, so the algorithm has a way of doing these things. It positions things before people who need to see it. So all you need to do is advertise. It may cost you a little to advertise, but believe me, before you know it, people will reach out to you. People who need it will reach out to you, and then you sell it out. So I have mentioned a few different ways in which you can sell out your palm oil. Okay, I know so many people who wanted to start palm oil business, but they became discouraged because they didn't know where to sell out to. So you don't have to worry anymore. With these keys I have told you, I have shared with you, you shouldn't have a problem selling your palm oil. Okay, so my superstars, rise up, get to work. If you didn't sell your palm oil, this is an opportunity. Go explore these places I have told you and sell out your palm oil. Okay, so some time ago I made a video that I wanted to open up a group where people in palm oil business can come together and interact. A closed group where people who are in palm oil business can come together. Okay, so this group was so that people in different places who have large volumes of palm oil will know themselves. Okay, and from there they will be of help to each other, and those who need smaller quantities of palm oil like 1 jerrycan, 2 jerrycan could reach out to those with larger volumes to ease transportation, cost of transportation and all that. But the response was very low. Okay, I didn't get a good feedback, and as such I didn't go ahead. Okay, so if you think it's a great idea, you would love something like that where people who are in palm oil business can meet together in a group. Okay, form a group so you will know yourselves and then work together. Then let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you would love something like that. The aim is to help people who have challenges like where to sell like this, to exchange ideas with people who are doing very well and all that, and grow together. All right, so if you would love something like that, write it in the comment section. Okay, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And my superstars, if you like this kind of content, please like this video. Okay, write in the comment section. I love, as this will encourage me to bring out more contents like this. And thank you for watching. Till our next video, always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.